Today we're making zucchini fritters paired with a refreshing dill yogurt sauce. They make for such a delicious snack. It can also be an appetizer or side dish.
Start off with peeling 6 small to medium zucchinis.
Usually smaller zucchinis are much more flavorful and less watery, so if you're looking for zucchini at the store for this recipe, skip the larger ones.
Chop them into large chunks to make the grating process a bit easier. I'm using an attachment that speeds up the grating process, but feel free to use food processor or a coarse side of a box grater. Next, add some salt and massage them with your hands so the zucchini start to release their liquid.
See, zucchinis are mostly water, so I highly recommend not skipping this step because otherwise you might end up with fritters that are going to be too soggy.
Transfer into a sieve or colander, or you can do what I'm doing today, use a nut milk bag. Let them sit like this for about 15 to 20 minutes so they can start to release their moisture. Meanwhile, we can gather the rest of the ingredients. For this recipe, you're gonna need half a cup of chickpea flour, also known as garbanzo bean flour. This serves as a binding ingredient that also gives some added protein and a boost of savory flavor. Today I'm using my grain mill to make chickpea flour, but this step is totally optional. You can use store-bought chickpea flour, almond flour, or regular wheat flour if you prefer. Add half a cup into a bowl. Next, add half a cup of freshly grated parmesan reggiano. This gives our fritters a really rich, nutty flavor and makes them more crispy as well. Finally, chop a handful of fresh parsley and add that into a bowl. Lightly beat 2 eggs and set them aside for now. So now our zucchinis are ready, and I'm gonna squeeze as much liquid out of them as I can. Transfer them into a bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Add in the beaten eggs, salt, pepper, and mix to incorporate all the ingredients. Next, shape the fritters into small patties, making sure that they're quite similar in size so they can all cook evenly. I usually work in small batches and leave some space between them. Cook for a few minutes on each side and flip when the bottoms are golden brown. While the fritters are cooking, let's whip up our dill yogurt sauce. I'm using 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt. Crush a few garlic cloves with garlic press into the yogurt. Add some salt, pepper, handful of freshly chopped dill, and give everything a good stir. Dill makes the sauce taste so good and fresh. It really complements zucchini fritters perfectly. Okay, so zucchini fritters are now done and ready to be served. Not only do they taste absolutely delicious when fresh, but you can also prepare a large batch of these, transfer into airtight container once cooled, and store into the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're brand new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.